Ron's checking out his trailer, so he gets his trailer. Why don't you explain, Ron, what you're doing?
Well, I'm hooking it up now.
Yep.
Make sure everything is going good.
He's checking his lights. He checks everything to make sure that it's all good.
Okay, you want to walk around the car, make sure that you get all these lights in the camera.
In here? Okay. So, yeah. Oh, in the back. Oh, okay. Of course. It's early morning and I'm not really awake yet. Okay. Yes, his lights are working.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. Okay. We're at our next pickup and Ron has a bed frame. Is that it?
No, that's,
Okay. Okay, we have our next pickup. And this is a little dryer, a nice size little dryer. Okay, gotta have to go and make room now. He's gotta organize his trailer.
Oh, it's...
Oh, I'll get it. Yes, organize the trailer. And off you come. In the bucket it goes. Oh my goodness me. Oh my God. Oh, I'm not coordinated today. Oh my goodness gracious me. Oh, so uncoordinated right now. Oh. Oh, sorry for the hole. This is hanging here. There you go. Oh, Ron, look at that. That is very unsafe. Look at that. Ooh, very. Not good at all. Do you think it's time to buy some new straps or something? Okay, I'm all over the place with this video here. He's cutting it off. That is just unsafe. Oh my goodness me. What he's doing here. Well, I don't know about you, but I think it's really cold out today. What do you say?
Oh.
I'm going in the car to warm up. So I think it's going to be a drier day today. A washer?
Now we got a washer and dryer.
Oh, we got a washer and dryer. Look at that. How nice is that? Perfect. Thank you, thank you, thank you for that. So we have an awning. He said, oh, it's a long one. I says, oh, it'll fit in the trailer. Was I bungee corded around the corner there. These scrappers just don't have a clue. Ought to just bungee it up and we're good to go. What do you say there?
Yeah, that's just what I gotta do.
See? I was right. I know. The co-pilot does know a few things. There you go, and then just bungee it to a corner and we are, oh, then there's that. We're good to go. There we go. Look at that. See this here? I bet you that is. Oh, no, it isn't. So this is our next stop, and we have a treadmill, and look at that. It's all nicely taken apart for us. That's lovely. Thank you for that. This is our next stop before we, and then after that,
You can cut the
cords and everything. So he's got to take this slide apart to get it into our trailer, which is there. So I think after that slide we have to go to the scrapyard because we just won't have extra room for nothing. Okay. Well, I might as well, oh, you're going to use your handy dandy saw. Okay. Are those your new blades?
Yeah.
Wow, look at that. I thought you didn't say that. Oh my goodness. Oh. Yeah, it's kind of dangerous for me out here today. Almost tripped on some wire. That ladder almost fell on me. Okay. All right. Lo and behold, when you're scrapping and you find one little flower, just saying hello, good morning. Scrapyard.
Got a full load already?
Oh, do we ever? Heavy stuff.
Yeah.
Very heavy stuff.
I think we should be able to get the rest of it in one more load.
I think so. We got the barbecue and I don't know, some other, I think there's another washer or dryer. It's an appliance kind of day. That's good. Oh, here we go. Oh! Okay, there we go. Okay, not talking to him anymore. He has to drive. So the co-pilot really can't talk and, I mean, the pilot can't really talk and drive. Talk and drive?
I gotta stand still to chew gum.
and you can't talk and work.
No.
I noticed that with you.
No.
I
concentrate on what I'm doing.
Oh boy, do you ever. I ask you questions and you don't even answer me, so I'm thinking, okay, he's not answering me, he's concentrating on cutting off the cord or something like that.
What's with all the garbage bags?
I don't know, but cleanup time. Cleanup time. Anyway. Oh, it's only 17 out. That's cold. That's cold. So, anything else you want to say to the folks?
No.
Our animal
No, I
friends?
don't think so.
Okay. All right. Have a great day. We drove by and we have 2 microwaves we're picking up. Just out of the blue, waiting for us, so that is awesome.
Doing? What are you doing? You want nothing?